Present-day Karachi was established in 1729 by Sindhi and Baloch tribes. Historians generally date the founding of Kolachi's settlement to around 1729, established by Baloch fishermen from Makran, with Sindhi communities also present early on. With 297 years of history, Karachi has a rich and complex past. In 1742, first known Karachi in a Dutch document. In 1839, occupied by the British, which accelerated development.
पाकिस्तान ब्रॉडकास्टिंग सर्विस, हम लाहौर से बोल रहे हैं। 13 और 14 अगस्त सन 47 ईस्वी की दरमियानी रात 12 बजे है। तुलुए सुबह आज़ादी।
When Pakistan was formed in 1947, Karachi became its first capital, located on the southern coast of Sindh along the Arabian Sea. It serves as a major transport hub and port city. Its key geographical features are defined by locations, topography, climate, water bodies, and administrative boundaries. Once a small fishing village, Karachi grew into a bustling trading centers by the 18th century, and today it is one of the largest and fastest growing cities in the world. This is the city of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the city of Shaheed Zulfiqar Ali Bhutto and Shaheed Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto. But more than that, it belongs to every Pakistani, to those who arrived seeking work, to those who came after the partition of 1947. The Karachi belongs to all who call it home. As of the latest administrative updates, Karachi Division consists of 7 districts that provide municipal services to the city. The 7 districts are Karachi East, Karachi West, Karachi Central, Karachi South, Malir, Korangi and Kemari. Karachi thrives as a vibrant cosmopolitan melting pot where countless cultures converge. In the years following the partition of 1947, Karachi was profoundly shaped by Mohajir culture as millions migrated from India to make the city their new home. Alongside Mohajir culture, Sindhi, Baloch, Pashtun, Punjabi influences have also woven themselves into the fabric of Karachi. For many who pursue higher education in engineering, medicine, IT, and other fields, the goal is often a secure and stable life for their families. Political instability and security concerns make this pursuit all the more urgent. As a result, over the past 2 decades, many professionals have set their sights on moving to Western countries. Fragile by nature, humans seek stability where they can find it to secure a better future for the next generation. Among Karachi's Urdu-speaking Mohajir families, professionals in medicine and engineering began seeking futures abroad as early as 2 decades ago. But for the common man and the lower class, moving abroad is not really an option. Their future is already written in the streets of Karachi. Yet, there is another side to this story. The elite, leaders in business like construction companies, textile industries, and beyond remain rooted in Karachi through every storm. They are without question the backbone of nation. But Karachi does not count the generations that come and go with a big heart. It welcomes everyone from everywhere. Yet the city still breathes. Each sunrise, each sunset remind its people to believe again. Karachi's destiny is not as grim as the stories claim. The city is also famous for its shopping and food, shaped by its many cultures, From bustling bazaars to flavors from every corner, the city's shopping and food tell the story of its many cultures. Karachi's parks are where the city exhales, spaces to breathe, to rest, to find peace in the chaos. But Karachi has also suffered many serious road accidents caused by heavy vehicles moving unchecked through the city, often without regard for safety or human life. The local government must treat this as a matter of utmost urgency. Every single life has a right to live. Despite the odds, the education system pushes forward. Engineering universities, business schools, science institutions, and art colleges continue to educate a new generation. Beyond business and education, the city thrives as an entertainment hub. From production houses to television channels, Karachi exports stories. Its drama industry has found a devoted audience across the region. Day by day, Karachi, the nation's economic hub, faces mounting challenges, yet the Pakistan People's Party, rooted in the legacy of Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, continues to lead. The Sindh government has undertaken several initiatives to improve the health department, focusing on public-private partnership, infrastructure development, and free specialized medical care. The National Institute of Cardiovascular Disease, supported by the Sindh government, offers free state-of-the-art cardiac treatment. The city has seen dark days, years of hardships and insecurity. Today's Karachi feels different, active, resilient, and far more at ease. Every exit has to have an entry somewhere else. Every end also has a new beginning. Every dark cloud has a silver lining. So let's stay positive and embrace the glorious life of Karachi. इस मुल्क को रखना मेरे बच्चों संभाल के।